HIV drug resistance has the potential to derail the progress made in the efforts to control the HIV epidemic. Therefore, it is important to continuously survey and monitor drug resistance in naive patients and patients failing therapy. Unfortunately, most of the methods currently used are expensive to implement, especially in the context of the magnitude of the HIV epidemic in sub-Saharan Africa. Here, we demonstrate a low-cost and open-access method for HIV drug resistance genotyping. This protocol is divided into 4 stages: RNA extraction, reverse transcription and PCR, sequencing, and bioinformatics. HIV RNA is extracted using the antiretroviral RNA kit. The method uses columns to trap and clean precipitated RNA. At this stage, always include positive and negative controls. Before starting, calculate the volumes of each of the reagents required for the number of samples being processed. It is recommended to always add a reagent control in addition to the extracted positive and negative controls. Prepare the DNTP primer mix by adding 0.5 microliters of the primer RT21 and 0.5 microliters of the DNTP mix to a clean, sterile 200 microliter PCR tube, followed by briefly vortexing. Prepare RT enzyme mix by adding 1 microliter of the 10 times buffer, 1 microliter of 0.1 molar DTT, and 2 microliters of 25 millimolar magnesium chloride to a sterile tube. Add 0.5